Before diving into Ansible, let's make sure we aren't stepping into unknown waters. First, Linux basics. If you think root is just for plants, we have work to do. Command Line Proficiency is a must. Clicking won't save you here. SSH and Remote Connections let you control machines like a tech wizard. And YAML Syntax Knowledge ensures Ansible actually listens to what you command. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Networking sounds complicated, but it's just computers talking, sometimes smoothly, sometimes like awkward first dates. Understanding IP addresses ensures you aren't sending your server's love letter to the wrong machine. Ports and protocols define how computers gossip, while firewalls decide who's invited to the party. And troubleshooting, well, that's just figuring out where the Wi-Fi went when you need it most. Software installation isn't just dragging icons, it's an art. With package management, you install and update software like a pro. Managing dependencies is crucial. No one wants a broken app because it missed its best friend. Handling repositories ensures software comes from trustworthy sources, not the shady alleyways of the internet. And using package managers like apt or yum. That's your magic wand for software control. Imagine writing code without Git. One mistake and poof, chaos. With Git, every change is tracked, so you never lose work. Branching lets you experiment fearlessly. Merging brings those experiments to life. Team collaboration becomes seamless. No more who overwrote my code. Moments and undoing mistakes. That's Git whispering, relax, I got you. Now the grand finale. Ansible installation and configuration. Installing it is a breeze, but setting up inventory, that's where magic meets method. Writing playbooks turns automation dreams into reality, and running tasks, that's when you sit back and let Ansible do the heavy lifting. Think of it as training a robot. You set the rules and it does the work. Alright, let's talk about playbooks. The blueprint for automation. First, set clear objectives. A playbook without objectives is like a ship without a compass. Use YAML, it keeps things neat and readable. Then arrange your tasks in a logical order. Chaos is fun for movies, not automation. Finally, test and tweak regularly. Playbooks, like good coffee, should be refined to perfection. Think of roles like Lego blocks, build, reuse, and rearrange as needed. Splitting playbooks into roles makes them more manageable. Keeping configurations modular allows flexibility because, let's be real, automation should not feel like untangling headphone wires. Follow best practices for directory structure. It keeps things neat. And don't forget documentation. Future you will thank present you. Inventory management is like organizing your closet. Categorize your hosts well. Dynamic inventories scale beautifully. No more manual edits. Group hosts based on function. It's like sorting socks but cooler. And always keep it updated, because working with outdated inventory is like using expired milk. Nobody wants that. Variables bring life to playbooks, making them dynamic. Genia 2 templating is your automation magic wand. Use it wisely. Hard-coded values. Avoid them. They age badly, like milk left out in the sun. And always test templates before deployment. Nobody likes automation surprises. Handlers are like your personal assistants. They execute tasks when needed, not all the time. Trigger them smartly based on task state. Conditional execution gives flexibility, because not every task should be run all the time. And test conditions. You don't want an automation surprise party. Troubleshooting is inevitable. Use the debug module, it's your detective tool. Logging keeps track of execution so you know what's happening. Need details. Enable verbosity levels. And analyzing logs helps refine automation. Basically, logs are your automation diary. Best practices make automation smooth. Document playbooks well, future you will appreciate it. Use version control, because accidental overwrites can ruin your day. Follow security guidelines. Nobody likes an automation disaster. And optimize automation. A slow playbook is like a snail in a race. Mastering these skills makes you an Ansible pro. Playbook execution is key. don't just run, understand. Roles and modular configurations streamline automation. Inventory management prevents chaos. Variables and templating, they take automation from good to great. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.